Worried about losing your photos, messages, or app data? Backing up your iPhone to iCloud is the easiest way to protect everything in just a few taps. And if you're using an iPhone 16 series device, iOS 26 makes it super quick. Here's how to immediately back up your iPhone to iCloud. Start by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to return to your home screen. Then open the Settings app. Next, tap on your Apple ID banner at the top. It's the section with your name and profile picture. Now tap iCloud. This will take you to your iCloud settings, where all your cloud-based services live. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. You'll see a toggle labeled Backup this iPhone. If it's off, tap the switch to turn it on. Once you enable it, more options will appear right below. To start the backup immediately, tap Backup Now. Your iPhone will now begin backing up your data to iCloud. This includes your photos, app data, settings, and more, as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi and your iCloud account has enough available storage. Speaking of storage, if you're running low, maybe your 5 gigabytes of free space is filled with photos or old backups, you might need to upgrade your iCloud plan to make room. You can check and manage your storage by tapping iCloud Storage just above the backup option. Once the backup finishes, your data is safely stored in iCloud and can be restored anytime, even if you switch to a new iPhone. And that's it. A simple backup can save you a lot of headaches later. If this guide helped you take control of your iPhone's data, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful Apple tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.